Still putting vinegar and rice water on your head? Ew, how's that smelling? Tired of your head smelling like 3-day-old rice noodles? You know that stuff grows bacteria, right? Rice residue collects in your braids. Fermentation starts in your hair. Stop! Sparkling Scalp Dr. Pro was made for you. Finally, a new precision application scalp cleaning shampoo system with CO2 microcarbonic bubbles that gently lifts dirt, oils, and residue and penetrates into the tightest weaves and braids without damaging or loosening. No more flake flicking. Leave your grandma's rice alone. Keep the apple cider vinegar in the kitchen. Microcarbonic technology gets into your follicles, lifts out debris and residue that you may not see, but sure can smell. You're going to love how clean you feel. No need for conditioners. Sparkling Scalp Dr. Pro leaves nothing behind. No disgusting feeling shampoo residue. No more dry or tight feeling scalp. And for instant, cool, carbonic relief, cleaning and revitalizing between shampoos, finally an answer.
The more you press on it, the more it pops and it gets cool. Like it feels so good on my scalp.
Sparkling Spa Shower with special penetrating applicator cones that delivers carbonic relief directly to your scalp. Apply directly onto braids, directly onto itchy spots. You will feel instant cool relief going directly to your follicles to lift out dead skin, dirt and debris that causes itchiness. This is a special limited time offer. Order Sparkling Scalp Dr. Pro right now and we will send you our best-selling Sparkling Spa Shower to try for free.
What?
That's an $80 value.
Wow, that's a great deal.
And you're going to want to use a gorgeous shower mirror so you can see exactly where you're applying it. So they will send you a shatter-proof, fog-resistant shower mirror together with your first order. Absolutely free as a gift. That's almost $100 worth of the best new hair technology in the world for your hair and scalp, all just for $24.95. If this is not the best thing you have ever experienced in hair and scalp care, send it back for a full refund. Go ahead, try it risk-free. And keep the gorgeous shower mirror as a gift, just for trying the Tansan Magic lifestyle. This special offer is only available at tansanusa.com. Don't go another day without Tansan Magic. Order from tansanusa.com right now.